Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Gameloop error code 16 on Windows. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to your start menu, go to run, and then type refetch. And then this time, once you open this folder, what you're going to do here is you have to select all and delete what's inside this folder. Deleting all what's in prefetch can help you fix error code 16 on Gameloop. Why? Because Gameloop error 16 is often caused by corrupted temporary files, old cache launch data, conflicts in previous app startup attempts. Next is check firewall permission. So you need to allow an application through the firewall. So what you're going to do here is you have to open control panel and then go to Windows Defender Firewall. You need to click allow an app through firewall. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap on change settings here. Once you tap this change settings, you have to click this allow application, tap on browse, and then look for game loop, open, okay, and then make sure that you have checked the private and public, and then tap on okay. So if this didn't work, then the very last thing you should do here is to uninstall and reinstall Gameloop. So go to app and features, uninstall Gameloop, and reinstall it again. So that's how easy it is to fix Gameloop error code 16 on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.